Okay guys, floor is lava. As you can see, I just joined. So I'm very ready. But I can do this one time. Monkey ball. Monkey Balls is the best map on this game. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Before the lava rises. I have to climb up the monkey balls. Why does it look like I'm sniffing that girl's ass? Sorry for cussing. Oh, look at him. I can't. Wow, my brother is climbing there. I can see him. Lava is just under my feet. Run, guys. We need to up on run. Monkey balls going up on. The monkey balls you could fall off. Because my brother just fell. He's dead. No, I fell in between the monkey balls. I don't know we can do that. You see this guy? And I don't have Robux right now. This man. Yes, he is. Don't cuss. Don't cuss. My brother can stop cussing. We have to go fast. I'm going on the diamonds. I'm going on the gold, I mean. Like, it shows us where to go. I'm gonna go. I'm not very good at this game. Tell me if you guys are good in this game. If you guys are good, comment I am good. That will give me a huge. And guys, if this is the longest short you have ever seen, put it in the comments. Put it in the comments, please. But please don't be like us. We can't even do our hobby. Let's go train.